guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, today we'll be learning how to make a thumbnail. I know I've done 2 of them already. I'll pop on the screen. They did kind of well, so if they helped anyone, yeah, you're welcome. So, today we'll be doing another thumbnail video, yeah. So, let's get into this. So, first, you want to find a background. Now, I'm gonna go, pink, blue background. Why not? Okay, this one looks nice. So let's save. Wait, let me right click on it. Now click save. Well, save image as. Now find where to save the image. So click like downloads or something. That's where I have it. Now it should be here or in downloads. So now I'm going to move this to this screen, the other screen. Now your project, you want it 1280 by height 220 I mean, and then you want transparent or white. Whatever color you want. I'll go white. So first you have some tools. The ones I use is the cutout to cut out other images out of the background, and then text, which is another one, which is a nice tool. And the cursor is where you move, drag and drop stuff. So let me just drag and drop this image right here. Let me go boop. It's okay if it's outside the image, kind of. It's not a big deal. So first, you'll like to blur this. So you go to filter, blur, whatever blur, and then blur how you like it to be. Like how you like it. Just fiddle around with this till you have something like that. I like that. Like that. Looks pretty nice. Let's go with that. Now you can close this if you don't want those. Now, okay, so now you need... So I'm going to put the photopea logo in it. I know it kind of has a circle weird in it, but hey, it's a big deal. I'm going to put this at the bottom of here. Anywhere in the bottom. Now, here's some things you'll need. So go to building options, go to streak or whatever. I would go 10 or 5 for it. Personally, I go white with it, white color, and then, so that's what it looks like. You want an inner shadow. You want it like distance, ish, 3. That size, like that, to 7. Don't do that, I don't like that. And then you can have it white, which I'm probably gonna do. Doesn't look like anything. Size. It's not really doing anything, so do whatever you want. Look, if I go black, it's gonna make basically the whole thing black. So I'm gonna go white with it. Now you can go color if you want to color it. I recommend doing drop shadow because it kind of looks nice. I'll pop one on screen. That's what I usually do now in my thumbnails. You can see the shadow. So I like doing a little bit size. Here's the regiments I like doing. Now, the last thing is this. You want that to make it like pop out and it looks nice. You don't have to have these if you don't want it. Just, yeah, that's what I recommend right there. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so that's the settings here. So you want this, this, and this. This is what I use. This, standard, don't change that. Inner shadow, this is the regiment. And then drop shadow, here's the rest. So that's done with that. Now, we go on to the text. Now, we go here. THE in uppercases. Yeah, we're doing that. Now, here's some of them on my desktop. It's Control-Alt-T to resize. But some of people, it's just Control-T on the keyboard. For some people. Now we're going to do this. Little big. Then, we want... Oh, I keep hitting the cord of the mic. Sorry if you hear that. B Oh, wait. B-E-S-T. Best. Best. Ow, I keep hitting the cord. Okay, geez, I'm creasing. Well, I hope it ain't unplugged. Anyway, the next thing is you want thumbnail. So you want thumbnail. Next thing you type is thumbnail. So here, ow, I keep hitting the dang cord. Oh my goodness. Okay. thumbnail. Thumbnails. The best thumbnail or thumbnails. Whatever one you prefer. Now, I'm going to do something different than most people. I'm probably going to put an anime character in this. Like Goku. Sane Goku. Yeah, I'll probably do that. So, let me just rescale some of these a little bit smaller. Now, there is a secret at the end is what you want to do. There's a secret that some people don't do, and it makes it help people click on your video. Just rescale some of these before. So there's a secret you need to do before posting your video and thumbnail. So first that's the wrong button. I'm gonna move this over here, redo this, just turn it a little bit. Sorry if it's a little laggy. It's my dad's computer. After all, I don't have my computer. I already said this in Little Nightmares video, but if you haven't watched that, go check it out. It's really good. What am I doing? Anyway, that's what you want it. So, here's the measurements for the text. First, obviously, the stroke. Now, a color. Now, I do this. On the regular one, the thumbnail, go with yellow. Okay? Or any color you want. And now, here's the things. Stroke, this. Actually, no. I think it looks better like that. Drop shadow, you want that. Inner shadow, that's one of the ones you want. Okay, so I'm back. So this is the one I choose. He doesn't look that bad. Now I am gonna adjust the brightness. So let me go to filter. No, it's like image. I couldn't think about it for a second. Brightness control. Go brightness a little bit more constant. That is it. That is it. All the way. Now, I've downloaded this already, but it's PNG lightning strands. Anime lightning. That's what I've downloaded. Let me get that out. Here. Now here, this is what I want, so put it below everything except for the pink, the background you have. Now you can adjust it, you can resize it however you want. You're gonna do that, like that. That's pretty good. And now you want, I'm gonna do this photopea. And we're not done yet. I need to tell you the secret and what I am gonna do. So I'm gonna do that a little bit. Let me go to strength or whatever. Drop shadow. Maybe adjust this for this. There. I'm gonna make this drop shadow white. It's gonna look better. Overlay. Maybe not. Yep, that looks pretty good. Distance. Yeah, that's pretty good. Size. Distance. There we go. Now you want inner glow, which is whatever color you want. White. I'm gonna go white. That looks pretty good. Now, for the anime guy, right here, I'm gonna do stroke, white. Now we need drop shadow. That's pretty good. White, of course. Now, that's looking pretty good. Now the second thing is, why did the layer just appear? Okay, so now I'm gonna tilt this. This is why I made it one piece. I'm gonna tilt this a little bit, shrink it a little bit, and tilt it. I get more like a accent, like that. That is looking pretty good, not to lie. Okay, that should be your finished result. Now, let me tell you the secret. So, for mobile users, you want to make sure it looks good from far away. So hold Alt and use your mouse scroll to see how it looks pretty far away. Like that. That's how big it. Let me see if it looks good. Right now, mine looks pretty good. I like it. The letters are big enough to see the glow, and it looks very nice. Now, let me just rescale it up to size. So that should be it. I hope you enjoyed. Please hit that like. That would be very appreciated. Please, if you're new, please hit that subscribe. That'll be very much appreciated. Our goal is 75 subscribers right now. So please hit us to that goal. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.